Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. To log into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook is super easy. Open your Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure to download the app on your device and launch it open. Soon after you launch the app open, you will come across this interface. To log into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook, tap on Retrieve My Progress button in blue. Now you will come across this interface from where you can easily choose your login method. To log into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook, tap on this Continue With button, which will bring up the Facebook and Apple ID option if you are using your iOS device. If you are using Android, you will only see the option to log in or sign up with email or the Facebook option. To log into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook, tap on Continue with Facebook button. Click on the Continue button and allow necessary permissions for the app. Tap on the Continue button to get to facebook.com, where you will need to go ahead and log into your Facebook account. Type in your Facebook email and password and then click on the Continue button. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to connect Candy Crush Saga with Facebook, and once connected, your game will sync with your Facebook account and you can continue playing from where you left off in any device. Now simply tap the play button and start playing Candy Crush Saga. So that is how you connect or log into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.